DISC theory. How to identify types and use them for effective leadership. The DISC theory is one of the most popular models for understanding human behavior. It is a powerful tool for leaders who want to better understand their teams and use this information to enhance productivity and satisfaction. By recognizing the different behavioral types based on the DISC model, leaders can adapt their management style to meet the needs and motivations of each team member. This not only makes teams more effective, but also improves the work environment and creates a sense of support and development. What is DISC theory? The DISC theory was developed in 1928 by psychologist William Marston. It describes 4 main behavior types that people exhibit in different situations. D. Dominance. People of this type are focused on results. They are direct, decisive, and often seek power and control. Leaders with a high D typically prefer to make quick decisions and tackle challenges on their own. I. Influence. People with high I love to communicate and inspire others. They are enthusiastic, charismatic, and prefer working in social environments where they can express their ideas and interact with colleagues. S. Steadiness. People of this type are stable, loyal, and reliable. They value security and strive for harmony within the team. Leaders with high S are good listeners and prefer to avoid conflicts. C. Conscientiousness. People with high C are analytical, detail-oriented, and strive for precision. They like to follow rules and procedures and typically make decisions based on logic and data. Identifying DISC types in your team. As a leader, it is important to recognize which of your team members fall into which of these 4 types. This will allow you to manage your people more effectively and create a work environment where everyone feels understood and motivated. Recognizing the D type. Dominance. People with high D are usually the ones who take the initiative and often ask questions like, "What's next?" or "How can we do this faster?" They are not afraid of conflict and can be more assertive when it comes to achieving goals. Recognizing the I type. Influence. These employees are often the center of attention. They love to communicate and are engaged in creating a positive atmosphere in the team. They often use emotional and inspiring words. Recognizing the S type. Steadiness. These people are quieter and prefer to avoid conflict. They tend to support others and are reliable team members who strive for collaboration. Recognizing the C type. Conscientiousness. People with high C are those who usually ask questions about details. They want to understand every aspect of the task and strive for accuracy and precision. How leaders can use DISC theory. Effective leaders recognize that each person in the team has a different work style and motivation. By applying DISC theory, leaders can tailor their management strategies to each team member to achieve maximum efficiency and satisfaction. Managing the D type. These people need challenges and opportunities to take responsibility. They are motivated by results and often prefer direct conversations. When assigning tasks, allow them to lead and make decisions independently. Managing the I type. They need recognition and positive interactions with colleagues. To motivate them, create opportunities for communication and expression of ideas. Praise and recognition for well-done work also play a significant role. Managing the S type. People with high S value stability and harmony. They feel comfortable when they have clear expectations and support from leadership. Be careful when introducing changes and ensure they have time to adapt. Managing the C type. These people need clarity and details. They prefer to work in a structured process and often ask questions to ensure every step is well thought out. Provide them with the necessary resources and time for analysis. Examples of DISC types in action. 1. Example of the D type. Dominance. Maria is a project manager who loves to make quick decisions and often takes charge. When faced with challenges, she looks for ways to solve problems as efficiently as possible without wasting time. To work well with Maria, give her space for independent actions and clearly defined goals. 2. Example of the I type. Influence. Ivan is a member of the marketing team who always comes up with new ideas and strives to inspire others. He enjoys working in a team and often seeks positive interactions. To motivate him, create opportunities for creative meetings and open communication. 3. Example of the S type. Steadiness. Anna is a long-standing team member who prefers to work behind the scenes and help others. She is reliable and always supports the team. To help her feel comfortable, provide a calm environment and inform her of changes with enough time for adaptation. 4. Example of the C type. Conscientiousness. Peter is an analyst who loves working with data and facts. He is detail-oriented and wants every decision to be well thought out. To work successfully with him, provide him with the necessary resources and time for research and analysis. How to motivate each type. Motivation is key to effective work. Different personality types need different approaches to motivation. Motivating the D type. People with this behavior type are motivated by challenges and the opportunity to take control. They need the freedom to make decisions and enjoy seeing quick results. Give them tasks that require quick actions and allow them to take the initiative. Motivating the I type. These people love to feel valued and are motivated by positive interactions with colleagues. Provide them with opportunities for social interactions and events where they can communicate freely and express their ideas. Praise and public recognition play a huge role for them. Motivating the S type. People with high S need security and support. They are motivated by a stable and predictable environment with minimal stress and conflict. To motivate them, emphasize the importance of their role in maintaining harmony and success within the team. Motivating the C type. These people are motivated by well-done work and the opportunity to work with accurate data and details. Provide them with the necessary tools and time for analysis so they can focus on the details and deliver precise results. How to give positive feedback for each type. Positive feedback is an important tool for maintaining motivation and productivity within the team. Positive feedback for the D type. When giving positive feedback to D people, be direct and specific. Emphasize their leadership skills and ability to make decisions under pressure. For example, your decisiveness and ability to take responsibility for the project made a huge difference. Positive feedback for the I type. Enthusiastic people with high I will appreciate feedback that is energetic and publicly recognized. Emphasize their energy and ability to inspire others. For example, your creativity and enthusiasm inspired the whole team and made the atmosphere much more enjoyable. Positive feedback for the S type. For this type, it's important to feel that their loyalty and stability are appreciated. Be calm and sincere when giving positive feedback. For example, your stability and willingness to support the team helped us get through this difficult period. Positive feedback for the C type. People with high C value precision and attention to detail. Give feedback that highlights their analytical abilities and quality work. For example, your attention to detail and accuracy in the analysis made the project exceptionally successful. How to give negative feedback for each type. Providing constructive criticism can be challenging, but with the right approach, it can be useful for every personality type. Negative feedback for the D type. Be direct, but respect their independence. Emphasize the facts and offer solutions that allow them to take responsibility. For example, I noticed some gaps in the task execution. How can we improve this in the future? Negative feedback for the I type. Avoid being overly critical in public, as they may take it personally. Highlight the positives before addressing the issues. For example, your energy is great, but I think we can improve the focus on details in the next project. Negative feedback for the S type. Be calm and sensitive to their need for harmony. Emphasize your support and offer solutions that don't create additional stress. For example, I know the change was difficult for you, but maybe we can find a way to handle it more easily together. Negative feedback for the C type. Be factual and provide specific data. This type of person needs logic and clear instructions on how to improve. For example, your analysis was good, but we could focus a little more on deadlines in the future. Which types can work well together and why? Collaboration between different personality types can be challenging, but when used correctly, it can bring many benefits to the team. D and C. People with high D and C can work well together because the dominants lead with decisiveness, while the conscientious ones provide detailed and accurate information. The D leader appreciates speed, and C contributes with precision. I and S. These types work well together because I brings enthusiasm and energy, while S creates stability and calmness within the team. I motivates the team, and S maintains harmony. D and I. These types can be effective in dynamic situations, as D takes control, and I helps with communication and creating a positive atmosphere. Together, they can quickly achieve results. S and C work well together because S supports the team and provides stability, while C focuses on quality and precision. They create a balanced approach to work, avoiding conflicts and ensuring well-thought-out solutions. Recommended reading. Book, The Everything Disc Manual by Wiley, which explains how disc theory can be used for more effective leadership. Article, Understanding Disc Profiles for Better Leadership. An article in Forbes that discusses the practical applications of disc profiles in management. A good leader is one who not only recognizes the differences in their employees' personality types, but also uses them correctly. Disc theory is a powerful tool for this. It helps leaders understand what motivates people and how to best communicate with them. By applying these principles, you can build a team that is not only effective, but also satisfied and happy in the workplace. Thank you for staying with us until the end of this video. I hope you've learned something new and useful that will help you in your personal development. This is just the beginning of a series of topics we'll cover on self-improvement. We have many more interesting and helpful videos coming soon. If you enjoyed what we shared and found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. This will really help us continue creating even more educational videos and reach more people like you. I wish you success and lots of inspiration on your journey of self-improvement. See you soon.